Welcome back to Gemma's journey. Mrs. Big Blue is now looking after her chick. She had to abandon her eggs to dedicate all of her time looking after her baby. Luckily, I was able to candle Mrs. Big Blue's remaining eggs. While candling, I could see 2 of the eggs had developed chicks inside, and could see they were still alive. I needed somewhere warm to put the eggs. Somewhere nice and warm was underneath Gemma, and a few days later Gemma hatched 1 chick. Gemma is very pleased with all her hard work, but she is still sat tight. Later that day, a second chick appeared. For the first day, a chick will spend most of its time underneath mum, keeping warm and drying its baby feathers. Once the chick is dry and nice and warm, mum will start to encourage the chick to feed. A good quality, highly nutritious food for the chicks is very important to enable the chick to grow and develop into a healthy bird. This particular food contains, amongst other things, dried freshwater shrimp. The shrimp are a big favorite with both mum and babies. They are always the first to be eaten. Whilst Gemma's older chick has a school day, her youngest is safely tucked under her having a sleep. I look forward to keeping you updated with Gemma and her chicks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.